Stop working hard. This is why you're still king broke. You've been told the story. Your parents, your teachers, your boss, they all tell you the same secret to success. Work hard. Put your head down. The grind pays off. Be the first one in, last one out. And you did it. You believed it was a fair trade. You put in effort, and the world would give you back money and success. But be honest right now. Look at your bank account. You are working hard. You're working 50-hour weeks. You're skipping lunches. You're answering work emails at 10 p.m. You are exhausted. So why are you still so king broke? Why are you watching your boss, who seems to do nothing, leave at 3 p.m. in a new car while you're stressing about next month's rent? Because working hard is the single biggest lie of our generation. It's a trap designed not to make you rich, but to keep you busy, right up until you're too old and broken to work anymore. You're not building your life. You are just efficiently building someone else's. Let's diagnose your symptoms. You are optimizing your morning. You're drinking black coffee, listening to productivity podcasts, learning how to answer emails faster. You are managing your time. You use a Pomodoro timer to maximize your output, just so you can handle 3 more urgent tasks by the end of the day. You're even working hard on self-improvement. You're taking night classes, learning new skills, but you're only doing it to become more useful at your current job. Everything you are doing is how to be a better employee. You are working hard at becoming a more efficient slave. You think you're advancing, but you're just spinning in the same spot, just faster. And what are the rich people doing? They don't give a damn about working hard. They care about one word you were never taught: leverage. This is the central truth you need to understand today. You are not paid based on how hard you work. You are paid based on how hard you are to replace. A hard-working ditch digger works 10 hours. He gets 10 hours of pay. He worked hard, but he is easy to replace. A lazy engineer writes a program that automates the digging of 1,000 ditches. He may have worked 1 hour, but he is very hard to replace. You are the hard worker. You think your effort is your value. Your effort is not the value. Your effort is the cost. Your boss loves that you work hard because your hard work is creating leverage for him. He is trading one salary, your time, for 10 units of output, your hard work. You don't have leverage. You are the leverage. You are the one being pressed down on. Okay, enough complaining. Let's fix it. If you want to stop being hardworking and broke, you need your own leverage. There are 4 forms of leverage. 1, capital. This is money making money. Using your money to invest, buy stocks, buy property. This is the main lever for the rich. But the problem is you're broke. So this isn't for you yet. 2, labor. This is what your boss is doing. He hires you and others to use your time to make him money. This is the traditional business model. But you're probably not ready to hire people. 3 and 4. This is your escape hatch. This is the leverage of the new rich. And you don't need capital or permission to use it. 3, code. Software, apps, websites. You write a program once, and it can serve 1 million customers. It works while you sleep. It has 0 marginal cost. 4, media. Podcasts, YouTube videos, ebooks, blogs. You record 1 video, like this one. You work hard once, but it can be watched 1 million times. It's working for you, building trust for you while you sleep. Code and media are the leverage of the poor. Here is your practical plan. Do not quit your job. Stop optimizing your 9 to 5. Stop working hard to be employee of the month. Your 9 to 5 job now serves one purpose: to pay your bills and to fund your leverage. You only need to be good enough not to get fired. And then you take all that extra energy you were using to work harder, and you use 1 hour a day to build your lever. Instead of working late on emails, you learn 1 line of code. Instead of perfecting that PowerPoint, you record 1 3-minute video. You must run a dual system. System 1, the 9 to 5 trade your time for survival money. Symmetric returns. System 2, The 1 hour after trade your effort for assets, code/media. Asymmetric returns. And this is the hard part. When you work hard at your job, you get an immediate reward, a paycheck. When you work hard on your lever, your 1 hour after, your reward is 0. Your first app will get 10 downloads. Your first 100 videos will get 12 views. It will feel like a waste of time. It will feel harder than your 9 to 5. And that is the filter. Everyone is capable of working hard. Very few people are capable of working hard for no immediate reward. You work hard on your boss's emails because you are afraid of getting yelled at. You work hard on your 50th video that has 3 views. That requires real courage. One is reactive effort. The other is creative effort. One keeps you surviving. The other makes you rich. So, stop telling me how hard you work. If you are still trading time for money, you are not working hard. You are being consumed. You are fuel for the system. Hard work is not the virtue. Leverage is. Stop optimizing your slavery. Use your precious, finite energy to build your lever. It's hard. It's slow. It pays 0 for the first 2 years. But it is the only way to stop being king broke. Stop working hard. Start working smart.